Okay, hi students. So yesterday class continuation, that is Williamson's synthesis, Williamson's ether synthesis, Williamson's ether synthesis. Okay, so in Williamson's ether synthesis, so alkyl halides when react with sodium or potassium alkoxides, sodium or potassium alkoxides in the presence of ether. Okay, now ether is a solvent. They form ethers as a products, and sodium or potassium halides are the byproducts, right? So here, if you see some examples, so examples. This is the sodium ethoxide. Sodium ethoxide. Okay, when react with methyl chloride. Okay, so it should be backside attacking SN2 mechanism. SN2 mechanism. So the product is ethyl methyl ether. Ethyl methyl ether. Okay, na? Plus sodium chloride. So and if in this case take and sodium ethoxide plus even you can take ethyl chloride also. Okay, so it will be backside attack and chlorine eliminate, same mechanism. You can prepare like this. Okay, same SN2 mechanism. Okay, but if you take the groups, if you want to prepare tertiary butyl. Okay, tertiary butyl and any alkyl ethers. R is maybe methyl, ethyl or propyl. Okay, now these type of ethers, if you want to prepare type of ethers, that means tertiary butyl and alkyl ethers. Tertiary butyl and alkyl ethers. This is the tertiary butyl group. If you want to prepare these type of compounds, must and surely the tertiary butyl group should be taken in the form of alkoxide. Okay, na? So you should take like this. Here O minus Na plus. Okay, plus R is in the form of chlorine or alkyl halide or alkyl bromide. Now here SN2 mechanism takes place. SN2 or plus NaCl. So we can prepare like this: tertiary butyl alkyl ethers. Tertiary butyl alkyl ethers. If you want to prepare like this, but if you take the reverse manner, that means tertiary butyl group, if you taken in the form of, okay, now this is sodium tertiary butoxide. Sodium tertiary butoxide. If you take tertiary butyl group in the form of alkyl halide, if you take tertiary butyl group in the form of alkyl halide, the products are different. Okay, na? The products will be different. Okay. So if you take reverse manner, then if R is sodium or potassium alkoxide, okay, na? Plus if you take the that is tertiary butyl chloride. Okay, tertiary butyl chloride. Tertiary butyl chloride if you take. So the products are SN2 not products. The products are elimination products. Elimination products are from how elimination products like this. So here O minus subtract proton, this bond migrate here, chlorine eliminate. Okay. So here what happened? CH3 bond C, CH3, here double bond CH2 alkene. This is RO, okay, H. Alcohol plus alkene is the product plus NaCl. Okay, so the product is alkene. Okay, now this is alcohol. Okay, now but not substitution products are not formed. Substitution products are not formed in this manner. In this manner, this product is not formed. ROC, CH3, CH3, CH3. This is not formed. Okay, now this reaction not takes place. Substitution not takes place, only elimination takes place. Elimination takes place. So if you want to prepare these type of tertiary butyl alkyl ethers, always you have to take, this is the correct choice, this is the right choice. Okay, now this is not correct if you want to prepare these type of products. Okay, so this is the Williamson ether synthesis. So if you take tertiary butyl chloride or tertiary butyl bromide, the elimination and alkenes are the major products, but not ethers, right? So always choose okay, now this manner. This is the correct process to prepare tertiary butyl alkyl ethers. Okay. Now I am going to rub this, and next second one. If you want to prepare phenyl alkyl ethers. Okay, now alkyl ethers. Phenyl alkyl ethers mean you can take these type of ethers. Here are these type of ethers if you want to prepare. Okay, now then in this case also you always take this is a correct choice. Sodium phenoxide you should take, minus this is a plus, and other should be alkyl chloride or alkyl bromide. So now the SN2 reaction, okay, SN2 reaction takes place, and we will get alkyl phenyl ether. Okay, now sodium phenoxide, alkyl phenyl ether. Okay, you take here methyl or ethyl, you can take anything. Here R may be methyl or ethyl, you can take. Now if you take reverse manner mean is a sodium alkoxide, right? So sodium phenoxide. If you take reverse manner, that means this is as a sodium alkoxide, and this is as a phenyl chloride. Okay, now so in this case this product formation not takes place. Because here chlorine is having lone pairs which should be formed, so double bond character. Okay, CCl double bond, due to CCl double bond character, chlorine not eliminate. So chlorine not eliminate, eliminate because CCl double bond character. So this is the correct choice to prepare phenyl alkyl ethers, but this is the wrong choice. Okay, na? This is the wrong choice. Okay. So because of between carbon chlorine, due to resonance, carbon chlorine double bond character appear, chlorine not eliminate. So if you want to prepare these alkyl phenyl ethers, you take sodium phenoxide and alkyl chloride, but don't take reverse manner. Because the reaction not takes place. Carbon chlorine double bond character, chlorine not eliminate. Right?